Hello, my name is Rizky Ahmad Luanto. You can call me Rizky. I'm making this video to accomplish my final assignment uh, in the subject of entrepreneurial leadership. And I will show you about my personal-based leadership project. I'm working at Pertamina EP as a supervisor rig since March 2020, and I have to manage operation team and supporting team. In the operation team, I have three crews. Each crew consists of 15 members, and then also I have a supporting team. There are crane team, medic team, security team, and driver team. And also I have to coordinate with the other functions. Uh, it is petroleum engineering. And then in this job, the job is to do the servicing and then repairing for the wells in our unit, in our field, by using an installation unit called rig, in the left side, the picture of in the left side. And I use this rig with the capacity of 550 HP, and the project is to do the preparation in the well RAL1 with the oil target 123 BOPD. The starting date to do the project on July 16th, 2020, with the planned cost about 273,000 US dollars, and the duration time is 15.1 days, and the finish day target on August 31st, 2020. Okay, as we know that I have learned in entrepreneurial leadership subject about the process me and Posner, there are 5 practices of exemplary leadership. The first one is a model way. You have to clarify values and set example, and then inspire self vision. You have to envision the future and enlist others. And also the third, the challenge the process. You have search for opportunities and experiment and take risks. And then the fourth, you have as a leader, you have to enable others to act, foster collaboration and strengthen others. And then the last, you have to encourage the heart by recognizing contributions and the celebrated values and the victories. And this is my leadership, 5 practice of my leadership. We talk first about model way. In the model way, you should find your or clarify your values. I clarify my values into 7 values. The first one is a risk, that you have to ensure the job does not occur any accidents, either fatality or zero lost time injury or loss of money. Because if you have an accident in your job, in my area, in my job, it will be nothing for the operation or for the everything. And then for the second one, speed, for the values, you have to monitoring work to be in line with the timeline regularly and avoiding non-productive time, and also give the report to management. And on the third, the responsibility, doing all the job description based on the procedures and avoiding any mistakes. And the fourth, about the quality. I have monitored and inspect the material incoming and equipment on the site to support well integrity. And the fifth, the preparation, conducting the pre-job meetings, safety meeting, and sharing progress activities every crew change in the morning and at night. And then the sixth, the teamwork, performing the job based on each discipline in all teams in order to focus on the specific activities. And the last, about the communication. I build the communication to other functions and external vendors so that the work goes well. About this inspired share vision. this before for the model way, we have to align with the shared vision, and then this one is the shared vision that I have done in the project of well reparation of route 1, that I have implement three ways. The first one talking about future energy condition that will influence and motivate how our works gets done. And the second, giving my exciting dream of the future to the members of my project about what will we get if the project is succeed in order to build their spirit in working. And the third, I was listening to members' motivation and ideas to empower my vision in the project so that we can align to make the same goal. And for the challenge process, the key is innovation. During the operation, during the work, I make something new about the innovation by implementing tubing test tool to speed up operation time of rig in doing tubing tester job while conducting the revision of well RAL 1. And in this innovation make the saving cost about 28 uh, 28 million rupiahs, and also contributing the producing earlier, and we can get the value about 260 million rupiahs. And this is the tools that we use for the innovation to speed up our operation time of the rig. And the next one is enable others to act. I was giving motivation by telling brief story related working to increase crew spirit, and I was engaging internal bonding by doing personal approach with all crews, and I was giving some training related to their skill in working, and also I was monitoring about the the expired time of the certificate of their training before, and I registered, and I do the registration to the to the to the to the people or to the firm that can give training, or it means vendors. And I was doing sharing knowledge also to gain their abilities in working. And then for the encourage the heart, this is this is I really like to 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 develop my leadership. This is the important thing that I was giving rewards to the best worker while during the job, and I'm giving appreciation to the crews who brave to tell their own experience from previous job. I was celebrating the fails and victories by doing lunch and dinner on site together, and keeping the crew stamina to avoid them from COVID-19 by giving vitamin and timing off. And then I was scheduling antigen swab tests before crews on duty in order to avoid the spreading of virus. And then this is the project results. The safety results, we get a zero accident, alhamdulillah. And then for the project time result, about plan versus actual, that the project was faster. Is that we can compare from for the plan is about 15.1 days that I have that I told you before, and then the actual is 13 for 9 days more faster. So the project was faster. And then the project cost result, the operational cost, the real cost, the actual cost used was lower than the planned cost that we already planned before we do the job in the well. It's about 53% we can save our operational costs. And then for the all production results in the WellRel one, was exceeded target expectation. From the beginning, we have target 123 BOPD, and the actual is about 867 BOPD. So it means that we have the production rise is about 604%. Okay, this is my closing. This is and thank you very much for watching my videos about my personal best leadership project. Bye bye.